Welcome back to the channel. Today it's time for part 2 of the Fiat Coupe project. In this episode I'm going to show you how to reapply clear coat to headlights. We start by removing any loose objects and clean the headlights. After that, we are going to open the headlights using a heat gun. Be careful not to rush this, otherwise you will risk damaging the plastic. Normally you don't have to open up your headlights, but as mine were damaged and I wanted to change some bits, this was necessary. I'm using a very strong glue to fix some broken parts. Now we sand it down for the next step. As everything is drying, I took the time to tackle some other parts that will be painted too. Let's head back to the headlights. Be sure to degrease any surface that is going to be painted. Let's start by spraying some light coats. To remove the oxidation, we need to sand down the lenses. We start with 600 grit and work our ways up to 1000 grit. Make sure to clean the headlights using clean towels and water. Now this is the part where everyone uses a different technique. This time I use a degreaser and spray the clear coat on the lenses. For some this works, if not, stay tuned. Fail number 1. As you can see, the clear coat cracked. Let's try again. First, sand everything back down the same way we sanded before. This may take some time, but the goal is to eliminate all the cracks. Clean the headlights again with a clean towel. For the second try, I tried to apply the clear coat again directly to the plastic. However, this time I sprayed on thinner coats and heated the room to about 20 degrees Celsius. Normally this will work and improve the paint job. Well, yeah, that didn't work out as well. The clear coat cracked again, so now it is time to try something else. This set contains a plastic primer and a special cleaner. Well, you guessed it, sanding it is. At the meanwhile, I can call myself a professional sander. In an effort to save the headlights, I started with 240 grit dry and ended with 1500 wet. I quickly used a special cleaner designed for plastic. After some dry time, I sprayed on a thin layer of primer. Try to cover everything, as this is the base coat for the clear coat. Now shake the can for 3 hours, or just do 3 minutes. Now it is time to start spraying the clear coat again. I kept a distance of about 20 centimeters and sprayed on 2 very thin coats, with 2 minutes between every coat. After that, I laid down 2 wet coats, also with 2 minutes between the layers. I went up and down, but in this case, left to right would have been a better option. You will see why. Also, make sure to keep shaking the can in between coats. Now start all over again. No, just kidding, we are removing the orange peel with 1200 grit followed by 2000 grit. To remove the sanding marks of the 2000 grit, we're going to buff the headlights. Now use some SikaFlex to seal the headlights. Alright guys, everything is done and back together. Let's explain what went wrong. At the first 2 tries, I sprayed on the clear coat directly to the plastic. Apparently, the clear coat wasn't compatible with plastic, so it reacted. The clear coat cracked and it looked like a spider web. I had to sand everything back down and start all over again. For the last try, I bought a kit from Colomatic. Link in the description below. This kit came with a plastic primer. The plastic primer made a difference and the results speak for themselves. I hope this video helps others with this problem, because there's no other video explaining how to fix this other than hire a professional or buffing the headlights.